All right, for number 44, we know that these figures are similar. I want to figure out what is the ratio of the perimeters and the ratio of the areas. Well, we're given these two side lengths of 9 and 12, so I know that my ratio of my perimeter is 9 to 12. However, we can simplify that. I can divide both of these by 3 to get 3 to 4. Then my volume, oh, interesting, this says volume, that says area. My answer key says volume, so this should actually say volume here. Okay, so for volume, if I have my perimeter is A over B, area is A squared over B squared, volume is A cubed over B cubed. So we just need to cube 3 and cube 4, so I get 27 to 64. Now it says the surface areas of two similar triangular prisms are 75 and 147. The volume of the larger prism is 276 degrees. What is the volume of the smaller prism? So my area ratio is A squared over B squared, which for us in this case is 75 over 147. So now what we need to do is we need to simplify that fraction if we can. We can divide both of these by 3. I'm going to divide both of these by 3. We end up with 25 over 49. Now this is not the ratio that we are going to use to solve the problem. I need to find my scale factor, which is A over B. So to find A over B, I need to take the square root of both of these. So A over B is going to equal 5 over 7. Now that I know A over B, what I actually want to solve for is volume. So the ratio that I actually need is A cubed over B cubed. And for us, that would be 125 over 343. Okay, so now I can set up my formula, my cross proportion to solve. So I'm going to set up 125 over 343 is equal to the larger prism. So larger prism is going to go on bottom here because my larger number's on bottom. 276 down here, x on top. Now it's just a quick little cross multiplication problem. We get 343x equals 34,500. Then quick little one step here, divide by 343. We get that x equals approximately 100.6. We'll just round that to the nearest tenth there. And our units are centimeters cubed because we are talking about volume here.